everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about my weight gaining journey. Today is March 19th and I am at 94 pounds. Just a little under 95. Update. I ran out of my Apetamin bottle, but I had ordered some more, and this is it. This is the box it comes in. It smells really strong. Not really strong, but you can just smell it. It has like its own little smell, and then it comes like this. This is what it looks like, and it comes with a measuring cup with 10 milliliters, 10 milliliters, 5 milliliters, 10, and 15. You can take however much you want, and then they tell you a little bit of information on the sides and just caution. And then the caution says some individuals may feel drowsy. If this happens, they should not drive a vehicle or operate machinery or appliances requiring alertness. And Apetamin really does make you really sleepy for like the first 3 days that you take it. I haven't taken the Apetamin yet since I got it, which was maybe like 3 or 4 days ago, and I can't really say why. There's no really specific reason why I haven't began taking it again. It's just a part of my inconsistency and just not doing it. Another thing that I got was this big box full of Ensure Plus. Ensure Plus nutrition shakes have 13 grams of protein, 350 calories, and 26 vitamins and minerals. I really like the milk chocolate, flavor. It just has its own little taste. I think I'm really used to the Ensure taste, and so I can drink these back to back to back like they're just normal juice. And so I got, I'm not sure how many I got. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I may have got like a 16 or 18. And I ordered these off of Amazon. And I'm just reading the side of the box, just looking to see if it said how many I had, but it doesn't. But I ordered these off of Amazon, and it was no more than like $24. And I feel like I like getting them off of Amazon because you get more bottles for less money, and it costs too much in store. In store, you can get a pack of 6 for $10. And that's just utterly ridiculous. You can drink 6 in 2 days. If you drink 3 Ensure bottles in a day, a 6-pack can be gone within 2 days. So, yeah, but I haven't been taking my Apetamin, and I've just recently started drinking the Ensure bottles, trying to drink them. I've been trying to keep my eating patterns consistent though. Within the last week or so, my weight has fluctuated up and down. One day it might be closer to 100 pounds, and the next day it might be closer to 80 pounds. So it's just really fluctuating up and down. I'm going to start taking the Apetamin today. The only reason why I feel like I hesitate to take the Apetamin, I did my makeup too, by the way. Okay, sorry. I did my makeup too. Anyways, but I think the reason why I hesitate to take the Apetamin is because it just has like a really weird taste. And I think I just don't want to really taste it. But yeah, that's basically my update. I'm at about 93 to 94 pounds. I haven't been taking my Apetamin. I'm going to start taking it today. I do get hungry, and I try to eat even though I'm not hungry, and I try to eat at least 4 meals a day. It is 3 o'clock here, and see, this is my eating pattern. It's 3 o'clock here, and I haven't eaten anything all day. I woke up maybe at 12, and I haven't eaten anything, but I'm feeling a little bit hungry. I drank 1 bottle of these. I drank 1 bottle, and I have 2 more in the refrigerator that are getting cold, so I probably will drink another, and then I'm going to eat something. But I just want to make sure I at least try to get 4 meals a day in, just to keep my body to be used to eating that much. Even if I'm not taking the Peterman, I just want to try to get used to eating like that, because when you do stop taking the Peterman, your appetite does go back to what it used to be, and you just have to have the self-will, and you have to want to continue to eat the way that you should be eating. Okay, you guys, so thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I want you guys to leave more comments down below. I want to know if there's anybody watching that is underweight, anybody that is watching that is going through the same thing that I'm going through, because a lot of the times people get, like, I don't know, like, I feel like there's a small community of people that are looking to gain weight. Like, you can go on the street and you can find at least 5 people that if they could lose weight today, they would. Like, there's a lot of people that want to lose weight. There's a lot of programs, a lot of shakes, a lot of this, a lot of that for people that want to lose weight. But for people that want to gain weight, there's not really that much out there for you. But I will say that Peterman does work in the sense that it does increase your appetite tremendously. You're going to be eating up a storm, and you're going to eat twice as much as you eat. So if you only eat a cup of your serving size is a cup, you'll be eating 2.5 cups of whichever meal. Excuse me, I'm just trying to figure out if I had anything else to say, but I don't think I do. But I really would like for you guys to just leave some things down below, whether you're underweight, list your weight, overweight, list your weight if you feel comfortable with it. I just want to know, I want to let you guys know that if you are going through the same thing, that you're not alone. And then I also want it to be that you guys reciprocate that feeling for me, that I'm not alone in it. It's really kind of hard to stay consistent, because like I said, I don't really have a problem with my weight. So if one day I just don't feel like taking the Peterman or anything, I just won't do it, because it's not something that I'm just battling with eternally. Like, I'm just about to kill myself because I'm 93, 94 pounds. It's not that I just want to gain weight to be a little bit more healthier. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned for more videos. If you haven't, go and check out my natural hair care routine videos, part 1 and part 2, and just check out the rest of my videos on my page. They're really fun, really entertaining, and also don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Stay tuned, comment, subscribe, and share my video. Mwah.